Beats here. Have another GTA gameplay I'm gonna do. This time we're gonna use the Liberator, as known as the monster truck. We're still playing as Franklin. We won't always be playing as Franklin. If I usually play a game, I'll probably do 2 vids on it and do the next game, and then do 2 vids. And I'm still gonna do the other. I'm still gonna be doing the games though after the 2 vids. So. Hopefully you guys liked my first video. Sorry, half the map is off and you only could see half the stars. I fixed the video and I looked at it, it was all fine, and then I uploaded to YouTube and it reset. So and then on YouTube, but I had to change it too, but it changed back and I didn't know because of the new update. So this video hopefully it's not like that. So yeah, let's get to Liberator, do some crazy stuff, and yeah. Okay, so we got the Liberator. Oh yeah, and sorry guys, if the sound of the game wasn't as loud as last time. Hopefully it's louder this time. If it's not, I'll change it up again. But sorry, so my first 2 videos, and I'm still using my phone to record, but soon I won't be. Maybe like in a month I won't be. So yeah. Let's run some things over with the Liberator. Maybe go up Mount Chiliada. And yeah. Let's just go on the highway. Oh, okay. I'll free. Let's see what the highway. Yeah, I don't know which highway. Let's see where. This is not working at all. Oh, that's what it sounds like, the horn. I've never really heard the horn. Okay, that highway right there. What my come on, you can't even run over that. Oh. Okay, so. Oh, what the. Okay, so I found the highway I wanted, and we're going head-on traffic, and it's nuts. Oh. Oh. This is not working. Oh. Oh. Come on, make it up. Maybe. Let's try to get some speed. Holy. Get some speed to hit him. Hit him! What the? Now shorter lane. Oh, bigger lane. Oh no. Oh, here you go. Ready? Oh. Seriously, they're not turning whatsoever. Oh man. Oh. Okay, so the highway was not very good. So now I'm gonna try to drive down there. It's not Mount Chiliada. I don't really want to go up there. It'll take too long. So try to go through some of this water. Oh, this is short water. Like anything can go through this water. Okay, now let's try bigger water. Let's try right here. Oh, go. Are you serious? No. Okay, now let's try. Oh, hitting these rocks. Go across there. I survived it. Seriously, I survived it. But the thing shut off. Are you serious? I gotta jump out. Huh. Okay, well, that's it for this vid, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed my second thing. Just fooling with the monster truck. I'll be doing a whole bunch of... My next video might be some Call of Duty. Don't know. Maybe put some comments what else you want me to play. Or I'll say if I have it or not. So, yeah. And just for the talent mail, I don't think nobody has sent me any talent things yet. So, that video won't be in a while. And I'll be beatboxing in like videos, like be getting reactions on Call of Duty, like if I play some Call of Duty, or show some glitches on there, anything. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed my second vid. Hopefully it was better audio and picture, and show the screen more this time. So yeah, see you guys next time.